Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to change Epic Games email without verification. First of all, log into your Epic Games account and using your password, username and password. Once logged in, head over to your account settings by clicking on your profile in the top right corner. Then select account. Now you will need to contact Epic Games support to help you change your email. Scroll down in your account settings and look for the help section and again scroll down and click contact us. Then explain that you no longer have access to your old email and need to update it. Be sure to provide important details like your account name, old email, and any purchase information to verify your identity. Epic Games support will get back to you via the new email address you provide. Once they verify your identity, they will help you change your email without needing access to the old one. And that's it. By following these steps, you can easily change your Epic Games email without verification. Thanks for watching.